Only a few days after being the subject of a few hands-on images, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has seen yet another image-related leak. The Pixel 8 Pro is evidently in a factory environment receiving a last quality check and clean before being sealed within its packaging in a sequence of pictures that may be considered unboxing, but actually look to be pre-boxing photographs. Every year, without fail, unboxing videos of upcoming Pixel phones are posted online prior to their official announcement by Google. An unboxing video of the Pixel 8 Pro was posted on a Vietnamese Facebook page, revealing its design to all. Even while the 8 Pro had previously been shown in pictures from both official and unauthorized sources, this is the first time we've seen it from so many different perspectives. More crucially, we get to see the package for the Pixel 8 Pro, which resembles that of the Pixel 7. It came with a quick switch converter and a USB-C to C cord. Although the screen is flat, the Pixel 8 Pro appears to have more rounded corners than the 7 Pro. The cutout for the camera now resembles an oblong form and contains all the lenses. Additionally, the phone contains a temperature sensor. There are at least two devices seen in this image, one of which is a Google Pixel 8 Pro dressed in porcelain, and the other of which is sporting the obsidian black color scheme. This most recent image leak shows the matte rear surface of the 8 Pro in shots that are particularly well done. All of the official Google Pixel 8 cases as well as a special edition have been revealed in a leak. These color-matched cases appear to substantiate early last month's reports that the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro came in 4 different hues. A few Google marketing papers that list all 4 case colors for each model and note that these silicone casings are made with 42% recycled materials lend additional credibility to the leak. The measurements of these silicone cases are also described in Shikoska's discussion on X, where it is claimed that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro cases weigh 27.3 grams and 31.3 grams, respectively. The coral cases for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are also showing up, which indicates that Google might have a surprise in store after all. This is because the coral colorway was first introduced with the Pixel 7 8 earlier this year and is comparable to the oh-so-orange trim with the Pixel 4 series back in 2019. Whether Google will introduce the coral variant of the Pixel 8 series on launch day or later as an exclusive/limited edition variant is presently unknown. As for the rest of the cases, they appear to be in line with the leaked colors of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. First-party cases for the Pixel 8 should include rose, mint, charcoal, and hazel. For the Pixel 8 Pro, they would be available in largely the same shades, with the exception of rose and hazel, which are replaced by porcelain and bay blue, formerly referred to as sky blue. Beyond this case leak, we have some fascinating information about Google's software plans for the Pixel 8 series. According to the maker, the new flagship will receive upgrades for up to 7 years. This level of software support is unheard of in the mobile sector. Additionally, the Pixel 8 series increased storage capacities and increased peak refresh rates on the 8 Pro are confirmed by this particular source. With the Pixel 8 series, leaks have been quite liberal, leaving no room for speculation. Over the past few weeks, the Pixel Watch 2 has likewise seen the rigorous cycle of pre-launch leaks, revealing information on both its color options and the new watch bands. In addition, we discovered that Google may throw in the Pixel Watch 2 for free with pre-orders of the Pixel 8 Pro. What do you think of these new cases then? Please let us know in the comments section below, and you may view our channel for further updates. I'll see you in the next. Peace out.